Hi, my name is Ariyike. How are you? Hope you are fine. Hope you are doing well. Hope you are doing great. So yes, I'm trying this very first time where I'm going to just react about whatever it is that is going on in the country at the moment, and let's just talk about it. Let's bounce off opinions and thoughts and ideas, and be very fair about it. And let's talk about what is biting us in this country, because far reaction it requires reaction. So one thing now that is going on particularly now is the way different bills that they are trying to pass into law has just come. First of all, it was social media bill. They went on and on about it, how they want to control the internet, control telecommunications and everything. That one passed. Now again, in Lagos State, of which the bad thing about this now is, it seems it might just be Lagos State, but if Lagos State successfully passes this bill into the law, it will affect other states. So recently in Lagos State, they want to amend the anti-cultism law. There's a law called anti-cultism law, and the Lagos State House of Assembly want to amend that law. And what's the amendment? The amendment is that if any cultist is found guilty, or you convict you, they say you are found guilty, they will leave the cultist. Everybody is the cultist now. They will leave the cultist. They will carry the cultist's mom and dad. That's it. They will arrest the parent of the convicted person, of the felon, of the person that committed the offense. They will arrest the parent and punish that parent for the wrong of the child. Doesn't it sound like African magic to you? Like, why would you go ahead to arrest some people that did not commit the offense in the name of, the idea, the gist is that the parents should have trained the child in the proper way. The parents should have ensured that the child did not join bad gang. How do you even know when your child joins bad gang? Like how? How do you know when your child becomes a bad person? How do you know when your child? Some people are living with their parents and their parents do not know what they do at all. So does that even make any sense? You want to think about it. So funny enough, in the ACJ, the Criminal Law of Lagos State, rather the ACJL, in the ACJL, Criminal Law of Lagos State, it says that you cannot arrest a person in place of another person. So now, let's calculate it. You cannot arrest another person in place of another person, but they want to bring a law that says you can punish another person in place of another person. You see that something's already... It's not right here. It's repugnant to natural justice. It does not make any sense. It does not add up in any way. And these people that are making these laws are grown-up men. They are parents to children. Even they themselves that are parents, can they ascertain where their children are at the time when they are making those laws? Can they really say they know what their children are doing? And so because you think that you have the power to make laws, you will sit down and decide that, parents should be the ones punished for the offense of a child. It does not make any sense. To top it all up, they've gotten to the second stage. They've passed the second stage, and I think they've sent it to the governor for assent. If the governor should assent to it, it means it becomes law, and they'll be arresting parents and giving them probably fine or sentencing for the wrong of another person. And it does not make any sense. If there's anything they need to do, they need to ensure that they put measures in place to train teenagers, train children, such that they will not have to join, bad gang and join all kinds of occultic groups and everything. So, are we on the same page? Do you feel me? Do you agree with me? Am I overreacting? No, I'm not overreacting. I know you're not overreacting too. I know you're thinking of it that same way too. Parents already have too much to worry themselves with, trouble their lives with. They're thinking of how to produce more, how to make money to take care of these children, how to make life better for these children. You cannot now come and arrest them for the offense of another person. No, we will not agree. Anyways, in the meantime, since they've not made this law, let's hope and pray that they do not. That's my reaction. What's your reaction? So thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked it. See you. Bye. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you.